Hi there. We're here with Mike Stokes today. Mike, nice to meet you.
You too.
We're in Pembroke, New Hampshire. Gorgeous day.
Oh yeah.
And you're here doing some work for another satisfied, I'm sure what will be a satisfied customer.
Yep.
Now you're an ICO user, obviously. How are you doing with the ICO product?
I love the ICO product. I think it's the best one out there. If I have my choice, it's always an ICO.
Good for you.
That's just the product I like.
What shingles do you do most of your work with?
Cambridge. I don't get into the high-tech ones I have, but a lot of homeowners can't afford them.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, I have done the slate ones, but you know that's costly.
Now every job you do you add a tattoo, or are they
No,
different?
it just happens.
It just happens.
It just happens.
Do you have an ICO tattoo anywhere on you?
No, not yet. No one's
You have
paid me
look
enough
at
to do that one.
You have to get into that.
No one has to pay me for that one.
Then we'll know for sure that you're a dedicated ICO contractor.
I use all ICO. I mean, see at the end of my year, you know, Mike grabs my paperwork. Everything's ICO.
Yeah, good for you. Appreciate the business. So now you've got a Harley Davidson T-shirt on. We'll have to get you an ICO shirt. Maybe after the interview, you know, we can work with the local rep here and pry open the vault and get you a T-shirt or something.
From you.
I don't know. So the roofing business pays for the Harley, pays for the tattoos. What else? What else does it pay?
The tattoos are free, so.
The tattoos are free.
That's right. I got a good buddy that's a tattoo artist. But all my tattoos are free.
Can you hook me up? Maybe I'll get one. Maybe I'll get the ICO tattoo.
There you go.
Yeah.